Here's if I'm back again with another video. Since this one is a bit longer than my usual under 5 minute style, I'll be doing a voiceover to walk you through the upgrades on this RC car. So first, I'll swap out the tires for a general grabber from Element Bushido. The stock tire were 4.1 inch and this one 4.4 inch. So there's a bit of an upgrade in size. And I also upgraded the metal rims and added brass rings to the wheels that give the extra weight and stability as well. So far the electronic is still a stock, but the next upgrade on the list will be an ISDT 70M and a new servo, since the stock one starts fading by the end of the run. Thank you all for tuning in, you are all legends.
Craig,
Hey?
I got the BEC in this one.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, I hooked it all up. Come on. Don't make me get the gate.
No, these sticks are good.
That's too easy.
They're more weight, eh?
Get up there nice and easy. Get out the
Yeah,
front
that's
part.
good.
I didn't even make that one though.
Hey?
I didn't even make it on that one.
Nah?
No.
Only because of the foams. I
There
reckon.
you go. That's where I get stuck. Yeah.
You gotta come to the right a little bit more. So put your right tyre up along here
Yeah.
and keep it on that line and then you hook up.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's close. Oh, fucking hell.
If you give it a little bit of pep, you might get it.
Yeah.
You got it. There you go. You should be able to cruise it now,
Yeah.
nice and slow.
Cruise it.
Beautiful.
That's it.
Alright.
Try this way.
I don't know if it was internal failure before. It couldn't have had anything to do with it. Make it fail. What it did was absolutely perfect.
Oh, look at that. It's got some flex.
That's really cool.
Got some flex. Yeah. I always put 9 mods in there.
Oh yeah. This is still stock servo though.
Ah, right.
Yeah, and it starts fading.
Oh.